All right, welcome to my class once and again. In today's tutorial, we are going to be discussing and to be designing a very simple logo. Very simple logo. So as you can see on your screen, I'm on my Pixelab. Pixelab. All right, where we cook things. So let's go right there because of the time. So the first thing I would need to do, I want to select a white background. Let me take out this default text first. Okay, come to your where you select background. As you can see, come to color and select white. Immediately you tap white, everything will change to white. All right, so I will I want to make use of LD. Let's just use letter. We have three types of logo. We have one LD. We have text logo. I wanted to say we have text logo. We have shape logo. Then we have text and shape logo. All right. So the one we want to design today is just text logo. Okay, so I will choose LD. Let's type LD. Okay, let's make it bold. All right, so we just want to do something creative, you know. Let's come to font. Come and pick a bolder font. Let's make use of my favorite font, which is Montserrat. Okay, I would like us to make use of this. All right, so let's do something with this. So the first thing I would like us to do, let's try to, as you can see this color, you see that this is not actually black. This color is not actually black. So let's come to this. Is Can you see black now? Can you see black now? All right, so you can see that this is really black. Okay, so the next thing I would like us to do is to um let's separate them. Let's say for instance I want to, let me double tap on it. Let's pick this first. Okay, I want to separate them. Then I will copy this. Okay, I want to, let's change this to D. All right, so there are two, and there are two now, they are separated now. Okay, so the first thing that we'll do on this is that, let me first work on my D, on the D. So I will come to um let me make use of my shape, make use of shape. Okay, so on this shape I would like to, I want to erase some part out. So I want to erase this part out. Okay, so what I will do is that okay, or let me put it this way. Sorry, let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. Okay, let me put it this way. So I'm going to be cutting this out. So what I will do is to make sure that I will merge both the shape, this shape, and this D, this text. I will merge them together. So I'll come to my layer. So you click that button, this button here, then you select your shape, you select the, then merge. All right, I believe you know how to achieve that. So then you will now come to erase color. I told you that erase color, when you have merged, erase color will actually take out anything that has to do with white. So we want to take out the white um from this D now, from this thing now. So the white has gone. If you look at the white aspect has gone. All right, so let's place this way. Okay, now I want to now see, I can still work on my L. So let's say for instance I want to put my L like this. I want you to look at something. We are just doing something, creative. So let me log this D. Let's log the D. Okay, so let me put my L like this. Look, I'm going to do something with it. Okay, so take for instance I want to take out this part. So what I will do, there's a part I want to take out. What I will do is to um let me put it, okay, let me put it this way. Just watch carefully and make sure that everything is actually balanced. If you are not sure, you can use this button for your ruler, as you can see. So if you want to draw a ruler, just click this, then you can now start adjusting the ruler like this, just to be sure that, okay, so I need to adjust my hair. So come to position, put it on 1, then just adjust it small like this. Very good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing now is come to shape. Okay, so I'm going to be, okay, this, I'm going to be putting my shape like this. I want to put my shape like this. Put the shape, and put the shape like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I will merge both the shape and my head together this time around. So let's merge, click this, merge the shape together, the L and the, okay, so I've actually merged it together. So what I will do is to come to my erase color. So that one has gone. So with that now I can actually have this. Can you see that we're having, a nature of a logo, something of that? Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to select the two of them. Select the two of them. I'm not going to merge this time around. I will click this logo. Look at this logo here. I want to centralize them. Okay, so I want to bring them to the center. So the two are in center now. All right, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I want to block. Okay, let me change the color of one. So for instance, I want to change the color of D. Okay, can you see? So if I like, I can actually use, let me use this color. Okay, I think that this is cool. All right, so then the next thing is that let's do something here. Okay, so this is a design where you are not looking at anything, you are just, you know, just making something out of nothing. That is what designers are meant to do. Designers are creative thinkers, are meant to create something out of nothing. Okay, create something out of nothing. So I'm going to be doing this. Say for instance, I want to put this here. Okay, so want to, let's adjust this a little bit. Okay, all right, so then let me adjust it like this a little bit. Okay, all right, so I want to try as much as possible to see how I can, let me take this out. Okay, then let's change the background in order to see what I'm actually doing. Okay, very good. So I want to look at, let me lock the D so it can actually allow me to, okay, so I want to let's see how I can actually block this part. So by the time I put my hair, let's say for instance I put my hair like this. Okay, what am I going to be having? Okay, going to be having something of this nature. Okay, all right, so let me put my hair up. Okay, very good. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I want to, okay, let me adjust this a little bit. Adjust this a little bit. Okay, all right, so just it like this. Okay, So what I'm going to be doing now is to make sure that I want to have a color. Let me close this. I want to have a color. Let's have a color. Um, uh, a color like this. Okay. Choose blue like this. Okay. All right. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to come to my shape, come and pick this. Okay. Or if I like, I can actually use this. All right. So let's change the color of this so that we can actually see what we are doing. Let's say, for instance, we want to use let me choose another color, can give us another concept. Let's say we want to use blue now, for instance. So can actually come like this. We want to use it to fill up this place. Okay, so try to reduce it, bring it down. Now you can actually come to rotate, to come and rotate it, come and rotate it like this. Okay, perfect. Now come to position, put it on one, adjust it like this. So adjust it in such a way that, okay, say for instance we have this, so I have this. Okay, so I'm still going to be, let me make it bigger so that I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, then you can make it like this. So what we just need to do is to erase it small, to rotate it small, meant to say, okay, think it should be okay like this. So we just need to adjust it now. Adjusting. Okay, so let me make it like this. That's what we have. Okay, just in this way. Okay, just adjust it small. Adjust it small. Okay, still need to adjust this small. All right, I think this is actually cool. All right, so with this now, I can actually um you know, let's take it back. Okay, so if I still like, I can say, for instance, I want to use black on this particular color here. Use black, for instance. Okay, so if I use black, it will still go. Hmm? Okay. All right. Or the next thing to do now is to merge this together, merge this together, and do this. All right. So if I actually merge everything together like this, let's merge this together. I want to merge this together. So I'll just merge like this. All right, good. Now let's come like, sorry, let's come like this. Can put in front here. Can say loyalty dynamics.
layout dynamic. Okay, so we can actually change the font of this. Change the font of this. Let's use Montserrat. Same font we use. Put it this way. So just try to reduce this more. Put it like this. Okay, now we can actually change the color of this font. Change the color of this font to black. Okay, so now with that we can still put some certain things under it, like this is just a name, this is just a text logo. Like I said, it doesn't carry much details. Okay, so we can say, can I put the slogan that imagination with creativity, something of that. Just a fictional work. Okay, so this is a simple way of designing a text logo. This kind of logo, now you can actually use it for printing. You can use it to print. Let's make it bolder. If I like, I can bend the text by making use of my italic like this. Okay, so then let's try as much as possible to still to lock this, to centralize everything. Okay, this is what we are having. Okay, before we do that, let me give this another color. Let's give it this. All right, that's cool. Okay, so now we can match them, like this. Okay, then centralize it. Let's go to centralize again. Centralize. Okay, so if you like, you can actually come to put it on transparent. So if by the time you save it, it will be saved as png. This work will be saved as png. They can print on materials, on nylon, on anything, all these materials that you see on clothes or any materials. All right, so this is the short way of designing a text logo for a particular business or a brand. Okay, so this is just a short logo, simple logo. All right, so then we also have some logos where you put, put the number, WhatsApp number, the Instagram and all those other details and what they do, what they sell. You understand now? Okay, so let's say we want to put, can even go with this, it's still nice. We cannot go with black because we're having like and black element. We cannot go with this because we're having it. All right, so we can actually go with any other color. It will still go together with it, to be giving it different concept. Different, that's one thing about logo. Just the background, changing the background alone will be changing the, giving it another concept. All right, so I would like you to do something of this nature for me, something of this nature. Just try as much as possible to do it for me. Use just a two letters to design something like this. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.